Are you still investing only in India? What if I tell you that with just 2 crore rupees, you can own a luxury property in Dubai, one of the fastest growing real estate markets in the world? Hi, I am your trusted real estate advisor, and today I'm going to show you why investing in Dubai real estate can completely upgrade your portfolio, your lifestyle, and your global status. And yes, all top builders' properties are available through us. Why should Indians invest in Dubai? Let's talk facts. Zero property tax. In Dubai, there is no annual property tax. What you buy is truly yours. No recurring heavy taxation like many other countries. High rental returns. Dubai offers 6% to 10% rental yield, which is much higher compared to most metro cities in India. Tax-free income. Rental income in Dubai is tax-free. That means your ROI remains stronger, stable and safe economy. Dubai is one of the safest cities in the world with strong government policies and transparent regulation. The luxury lifestyle advantage. When you buy in Dubai, you're not just buying property, you're buying a luxury global lifestyle. Imagine owning a home near a Burj Khalifa or on Palm Jumeirah or in Dubai Marina. Private beach access, infinity pools, smart home technology, 5-star hotel level amenities, premium community living. This is not just an investment, it's a statement. Personal status and global image. Let's be honest, owning property in Dubai automatically elevates your personal brand and status. Whether you are a business owner, a NRI, startup founder, AHNI investor, a Dubai property adds international credibility. It opens doors to global networking, business expansion, and elite circles. Dubai Golden Visa Gold Card Advantage. One of the biggest advantages, if you invest above the required threshold, which 2 crore plus rupees properties qualify for in many cases, you can apply for the UAE Golden Visa. Long-term residency, 10 years. Sponsor family, open bank accounts easily. Do business in UAE, travel flexibility. Dubai is not just a city, it's a global hub connecting India, Europe, and the Middle East. All top builders available through us. You get access to properties from MR Properties, Damak Properties, Sauba Realty, Nakil, and many more premium developers. We offer ready-to-move properties, off-plan projects with flexible payment plans, guaranteed buyback options, selected projects, investor-friendly guidance starting from 2 crore rupees. What do you get? In 2 crore rupees onwards, you can get 1 BHK luxury apartment in prime areas, high ROI short-term rental property, branded residences, waterfront views, and flexible payment plans allow you to pay in installments. Why now is the right time? Dubai is growing rapidly due to Expo legacy development, increasing global migration, strong tourism industry, business-friendly policies, property prices are appreciating steadily, and early investors always benefit the most. Who should invest? This opportunity is ideal for investors looking to diversify outside India, business owners expanding globally, families wanting international residency options, HNIs seeking capital appreciation plus lifestyle. If you are serious about investing in Dubai, real estate starting from 2 crore rupees, comment Dubai below or connect with me directly. I will share curated options, arrange virtual site visits, explain Golden Visa process, guide you step by step till registration. Dubai is not just an investment, it's a global upgrade. Let's secure your international asset today.